Good afternoon, my dear student. Today, I am going to start the new chapter. What is the new chapter? Then about the chapter 5. What is the chapter? The chapter is the multiplication and the division. Now, today we at first we have to just rewind that already we have to you did completed in the class 4 these few things. Now I just rewind it once, then we start into our exercise. So what is the review exercise? Just open the page number 66 and the review exercise portion. See from the number 1 starting. See the number 2. A, first one. That is write each fraction in the lowest term. Lowest means smallest, as much as possible. Make it into the smallest term. The first is given 20 by 32. So 20 by 32. Now make it in the smallest term. So first we divide with the 2, both the number. 2 10 jar 20, 2 16 jar 32. Again we have to go by the 10, by the 2. 2 5 jar 10, 2 8 jar 16. So what is the lowest term? 5 by 8. Now it's not possible to reduce more. That is why this one is the answer. Now see the number 2. Number B here only. That 18 by 27. 18 by 27. So any one number you have to take that both the numbers should be divisible. What is the number? Suppose if you take the 2, that time the 27 is not divisible. So we can take the 3, then both the number can divisible. So both 3 6 jar 18, 3 9 jar 27. Now 6 and 9. Again it can possible to divide. Again you have to reduce it. 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9. So it's the 2 by. So by this way you can get the answer. See the another one, number C. That is the 8 by 24. So it's very easy. That we know 8 number table. 8 3 jar 24. So it's the 8 1 by 8. So 1 by 8. Okay. Now see the 25 by 1000. Here also it's very easy. 25 by 1000. So 25 4 jar it's 1000. So 1 by 4. So by this way we will get the lowest term. Okay. Or the smallest term. Now see the next one. See the next number B. See number B is the right each fraction of the lowest term and then change into the number or a whole number or into a mixed fraction, into a mixed number or a whole number. Now see here, there is the first one 36 by 20. So first of all we have to make it reduces at most into the lowest term. Now by the 2, first we take the smallest number. 2 18 jar 36, 2 10 jar 20. Again you can also reduce. 2 9 jar 18, 2 5 jar 10. So now it's the 9 by 5. Now it's the improper fraction. You know what is the improper and the mixed fraction? That when the fraction, the numerator, what is the numerator? This one is called the numerator, this one is called the denominator. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that time this type of fraction is known as the proper fraction. Like the 2 by 3, this one is the proper fraction. But here you see the numerator, there is a numerator that is a bigger than the denominator. That time this type of fraction is known as the improper fraction. Now what is the mixed fraction? Now when this improper fraction will come, we have to convert into the mixed fraction. By which way? Just simple process. Just we have to divide. 5 1 jar 5. Now 4. So 1 4 by 5. So what is the mixed fraction of this number? 1 4 by 5. So by this way you can get the mixed fraction also. Now see the next one. That is the number 2. That 120 by 10. So this type math you can remember that 0 is there. Here also 0. So cut it. Now 1 is no value. So the answer is the 12. Complete. Now see the number C. 125 by 50. Now this number. So by the 5 you can cut it fast. That 5. Fast 2. 2 5 jar 10. That 25. And here is the 3. Now 25 by 3. So this one also improper fraction. You have to convert into the mixed fraction. 3 8 jar 24. 1. So 8 1 by 3. So this one is the answer. That is the 8 1 by 3. So by this way, we can get the answer in the mixed fraction also. If the improper fraction will come, then you should convert into the mixed fraction also. Now see the another one. That is the number. So this number you can understand it. Now the left hand math you have to complete by own. And just two maths that are very easy. That is a 72 by 12. And you know that the 12 number table. So 12, 6 is the 72. Okay, so 6 and number is the 66 by 33. So 33 cut with the 2. So 2, 33 puja 66. Now it complete. And now, so you have to understand these are the maths. Now see the number 3. Number 3 is the compare the following things. Compare the following numbers. Okay, so you have to compare it. Now see, first is given 1 by 8 and one box. That is the 3 by 8. Now which one is the bigger? See, 8 is the equal. Now this side 3, so this one is the bigger. So this one is the bigger side. So by this way you can make the comparison. See the another one. 4 by 5 box. That is the 2 by 5. So which one is the 5 is equal? Here is the 4. So this one is the bigger. So by this way you have to complete. So your work is up to number 3 that you have to complete in your copy. Question with answer properly. Okay. So today up to here. Next day you have to complete the remaining portion from this chapter. Thank you.